Chapter 3rd, Arithmetic Progression. Practice set 3.4. Question number 4. There are an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in second row, and 24 seat in third row, and so on. Find number of seats in 15th row and also find the total number of seats. So what is given? First row 20 seats mean T1 is equal to 20. Second row 22 seats, T2 is equal to 22. T3 is equal to 24 and so on. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 20 minus 22 minus 20 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to 24 minus 22 is equal to 2. See here 2, 2. So common difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, this sequence is an AP. So common difference is equal to constant. Therefore, 20, 22, 24 is an AP. AP. So this is D. We have to find the number of seats in the 15th row. So we have to find number of seats in the 15th row. So we have to find T15th. T15 फाइंड करना है तो फॉर्मूला कौन सा है Tn. So we have to apply formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T15 n is equal to 15. A is equal to A mean T first term, that is 20. D is equal to 2. N is equal to 15. So n is equal to 15. A is equal to 20. N is equal to 15. 15 minus 1. And D is 2. 20. 15 minus 1 is 14 into 2. 20. 14 into 2. 28, and therefore T15 is equal to 48. Got it? So there are 48 seats. There are 48 seats in the 15th row. There are 48 seats in the 15th row. So next we have to find the total number of seats in the auditorium. So there are 27 row of seats. There are an auditorium with 27 row of seats. So n is equal to 27. Again, A is equal to 20. D is equal to 2. We have to apply formula Sn. So find क्या करना है हमें हम लोग को यहाँ पे S27. So apply formula Sn is equal to n upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As 27, n is equal to 27 upon 2, a is equal to 20 plus n is equal to 27 minus 1, d is equal to 2. 27 upon 2. 2 into 20, 40. 27 minus 1 is 26 into 2. 27 upon 2. 40. 26 into 2, 52. 27 upon 2. 40 plus 52, 92. So 2 ones are 2 4s are 8 and 2 6 are 12. So 27 into 46. 27 into 46 is equal to 1242, means 1242. So total number of seats in the auditorium is 1242. Got it? So next, question number 5th. Question number 5. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than sum of temperature of Tuesday to Saturday. If temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find temperature on the other 5 days. So what is given? The temperature were in AP. Temperature are in AP. So let temperature in degree Celsius from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday means there are 6 days. Means there are 6 consecutive terms. 6 consecutive terms. So see here. Suppose this is one consecutive terms. So a plus d 2 consecutive terms. A साइड पे एक ऐड कर दिया, ए साइड पे एक a माइनस डी. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? a प्लस 2d. यहाँ पे a माइनस 2d. कितना हो गया? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. हम लोग कितना करना है? 6 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स में 6 डे आते हैं. ए साइड ऐड कर दो, नहीं तो एक टर्म ए साइड ऐड कर दो. तो मैं यहाँ पे ऐड करता हूं. यहाँ पे करता हूं ए माइनस 3d. सो मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. ए आप ए साइड ऐड कर दिया तो भी चलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. आपको ए साइड ऐड करना है तो भी आप ऐड कर सकते. सो सी हियर द टेम्परेचर in degree Celsius from Monday to Saturday. A minus 3d, A minus 2d, A minus d, A plus d, A plus 2d. ये मिडल वाला टर्म है. एक टर्म ए साइड ऐड कर दो, हम लोग डी ऐड करते जाते हैं. डी डिफरेंस कितना होता है? डी होता है. तो ए प्लस डी, ए प्लस 2d, ए माइनस डी, ए माइनस 2d, ए माइनस 3d. सो अब यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? द टेम्परेचर ऑन वेडनेसडे इज माइनस 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब वेडनेसडे का कौन सा है? मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे. ये क्या है? वेडनेसडे. मीन्स a minus d is equal to minus 30. a minus d is equal to minus 30. So next condition क्या है? देखो, The sum of temperature on Monday and Saturday is equal to sum of temperature on Tuesday and Saturday. So Monday क्या है? Monday is A minus 3D. Monday and Saturday A plus 2D is equal to. Next, sum of temperature Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesday कितना है? Monday, Tuesday A minus 2D. Saturday A plus 2D plus 5 degree Celsius. सिंपल है. A plus 2D कैंसल. सो इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? A plus 3D A minus 3D is equal to A minus 2D plus 5. So plus 5. See here again A cancel. So minus 3D is equal to minus 2D plus 5. So minus 2D ये साइड लेके आओ, plus 2D is equal to 5. Minus 3D plus 2D is minus D is equal to 5. Therefore, D is equal to minus 5. D क्या मिल गया? Minus 5. So substitute. Substituting D is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. So equation 1 is, this is equation A minus D is equal to minus 30 is equation 1. Equation 1 is A minus D is equal to minus 30. So A minus D is minus 5 is equal to minus 30. So A minus minus get plus. A plus 5 is equal to minus 30. So A is equal to minus 30 plus 5 A साइड लेके जाओ, माइनस हो जाएंगे. So A is equal to minus 35. A क्या मिल गया? minus 35. So हम लोग क्या फाइंड करना है? टेम्परेचर. So temperature of Monday find temperature of other 5 days. So temperature of Monday, मंडे का टेम्परेचर क्या है? A minus 3D. So A is minus 35 minus 3, D is minus 5. Minus 35 minus minus plus, so plus 15 is equal to minus 20 degree Celsius. So temperature of Tuesday टेम्परेचर क्या है? A minus 2D. So A is equal to minus 35 minus 2, D is minus 5. So minus 35 minus minus plus, so plus 10 is equal to minus 25. So temperature of Tuesday is equal to minus 25 degree Celsius. Temperature of Wednesday is already given, and it is minus 30 degree Celsius. Temperature of Thursday टेम्परेचर ऑफ थर्सडे इज, क्या कंसिडर किया हम लोग ने, ए माइनस डी. सो वेनसडे ए माइनस डी, थर्सडे ए, थर्सडे इज ए and a is equal to -35, -35 degree. Next, temperature of Friday, temperature of Friday is a plus d, a is equal to -35 plus d is -5 is equal to -40 degree Celsius. And last, temperature of Saturday, and Saturday is a plus 2d, a plus 2d. So a is equal to -35 plus 2, d is equal to -5 is equal to -35 minus 10 is equal to -45 degree Celsius. So therefore the temperature at Kargil, for the week were -20 degree Celsius, -25 degree Celsius, -30 degree Celsius, -35 degree Celsius, -40 degree Celsius, -40 degree Celsius, and -45 degree Celsius respectively. मतलब टेम्परेचर ऑफ मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेनसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे. Got it? Question number 6. On the World Environment Day, trees plantation program was arranged on land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted in such that first row there are one tree, second row there are 2 trees, in the third row 3 trees, and so on. Find the number of trees in 25th rows. So what is given? First row, that is T1, 1 tree. Second row, T2, 2 trees. Third row, 3 trees, and so on. So here A is equal to 1, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So D is equal to 1. So find the number of trees in 25th row. सब trees कितने हैं? फर्स्ट रो पे 1 trees है, सेकेंड रो पे 2 है, थर्ड रो पे 3 है, फोर्थ रो पे 4 है, 25 रो पे कितना रहेगा? 25 trees. सो अभी सब मिला के ट्रीज कितना है हम लोग को फाइंड करना है. सो SN फॉर्मूला कौन सा अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? SN इज इक्वल टू n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 25. So as 25, n is equal to 25 upon 2, a is equal to 1, n is equal to 25 minus 1, d is equal to 1. 25 upon 2, 2 into 1, 2, 25 minus 1 is 24, and 24 into 1 is 24. So 25 upon 2 into 2 plus 24, 26. 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So S 25 is equal to 25 into 13, and 25 into 13 is equal to 325. So S 25 is equal to 325. So therefore the total number of trees are 325. Understood? Thank you.